It's a dessert that combines two delicious foods. Here to make her granola bar cake, we welcome back professional baker Lauren Sharpton. It's great to see you again.
Yeah, nice to be here again.
This looks like exactly as it's described, granola bar cake.
Yeah, I sort of took a granola bar and wanted to make it more like it would last longer than a granola bar.
Yeah.
Because my kids just like eat granola bar after granola bar.
Isn't it amazing? They can eat like 5 at a time, and you're like, I know there will be consequences later, but for some reason.
And so this is like maybe one piece, right? It's a really good after school snack. I love it in the morning with my coffee, so I thought you could help me make one today.
Seems like a nice hearty breakfast. Great way to start the day.
Yeah.
Okay, where do we begin?
So first we're going to take, this is a combination of all of our dry ingredients, which is a mixture of flour, oats, brown sugar, cinnamon, and some baking powder, a little bit of salt.
Oh my gosh.
Go ahead and put that in there.
Dump it in.
Yeah, just kind of dump it in. This is like one of those dump and go kind of
that
baking things. And then I like to add chopped walnuts, but any sort of chopped nut will do. And if you want to avoid nuts, then just don't put them in, or add more of my favorite thing, chocolate chips.
Chocolate chippies.
So those are chocolate chips.
Anytime you can sneak chocolate chips into a breakfast food,
doesn't
or any
do
food,
that, right?
It's fine by me.
So then we're just going to kind of mix this together to combine all of the dry ingredients. And then we can
Do you prefer a certain type of oat for this?
I like old-fashioned oats.
Okay.
That's sort of my go-to for most of my baking.
Okay.
Some people like to grind up the oats.
Oh, okay.
And create like an oat flour, or you could buy oat flour if you wanted to do that. If you wanted a less of that oat texture.
Yeah.
And that would actually make it even more like a cake.
More like a cake.
Yeah.
I do like the crunchy texture, though.
I'm a fan of that. That's why I add the walnuts and
it
stuff.
makes you feel like it's more healthy,
There
too.
you go, right? Just trick yourself. So then, this is all of the liquid ingredients. So this is a combination of melted butter, milk, a little bit of oil, some eggs, and we're just gonna put it all in there.
Okay,
so
all at once.
All at once, and then we're just gonna mix it until it's combined.
This is a healthy portion we got going on here.
Yes, this is one of those, like, I'm gonna make it on Sunday and it's gonna last me the whole week for breakfast, after school, because, you know, we're busy and we need food. You know?
Yeah, and just getting this done on the weekend ahead, that's an accomplishment of itself.
And, yeah, it does. It feels like you're like one step ahead. You know?
You said melted butter, right?
Yeah, melted butter. You could also, I've used oil before as well.
Sure.
You know? I'm kind of one of those types of people that if I want to bake good, I need to have it right now, and so I substitute. I like recipes where you can kind of do what you want to do with what's
available immediately without making another trip to the store.
Correct.
Because you've already been twice this week and you still forgot 5 things.
And that is my life.
How combined are we wanting this to be?
You're doing a great job. You are really close. I love it. I love it. And then so basically you combined it, right? So you know when something's combined when you don't see any more of the
dry
flour
in there.
Yeah. So you're like a cup, like 2 spins away.
It's kind of looking like in oatmeal cookie dough almost.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
So I know. You know, now I'm going to encourage someone to plop it and see if it becomes that.
I know. I'm like, wait a minute.
It be like? More
is
of a
it a dessert?
Yeah.
It's anything you want it to be. That looks pretty good.
I think that looks fabulous.
Okay.
So now we're just going to take our pan here, and I kind of pick up the bowl, and then
I usually a good arm workout
just put it all in the center, and then you want to just do your best to spread it out to the edges.
Probably doesn't have to be totally picture perfect, this one.
Definitely, not worried about that. Again, this is one of those, I really need something sweet and I need it right now.
Sure.
So what can I make in, 30 minutes?
It already smells so good too.
Yeah, the cinnamon, I don't know. Cinnamon is just one of those.
Especially as we're getting into the fall months. It's just exactly what you want it to be.
Totally. So then you just pop this in your 350-degree oven.
Okay.
30 minutes. And you'll have that, you'll have.
That's nice. Okay. Look at this here. Look at this, gorgeous. Okay, I want to take a bite, but I don't want to take this whole honking thing. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Look at all that. Okay, that's way too big of a bite, but it's happening. Oh my God. It's like I thought it was going to be a coffee cake, but it's a granola bar.
Yeah. So it's all the things you get in a granola bar, but it turned itself into a cake.
Oh my gosh. That's so fun.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
What a great weekday morning before school. We need to get energy in those kids before we send them off to their beloved teachers. Thank you, teachers. Great to see you. Thank you so much.
Sure thing.
We'll have this recipe and more information about Lauren on our website at katu.com.